Sawfly 392 minimum through 842 maximum degrees Fahrenheit. You have a cordless soldering iron, USB, with C210 tips. As we open up the box and a brief demonstration of the product, we have a user's guide, everything that you need to know about your product. Pulling out the contents takes up to 7 seconds to heat up. You have a USB-C charging cable, your 3 blades, tips to replace, your solder with flux built in, your sponges separate, 10 to be exact, your solder remover, your solder base and sponge holder, your solder iron, and a tweezers. The on and off switch presses and turns on the soldering iron and presses and turns off again with an adjustable knob on the bottom, rubber on top. The USB-C charger in the back. 3 tips, wide, medium, and narrow. Check online for further details about replacement tips. The tips simply come out of its cradle. Unscrew, place on, and firmly press in the tip. Slide in the base, and the unit locks in securely and close up with the caution of the on and off switch. Turning the unit on is a short press, 482, 3.5, and adjustment of the temperature. It has an auto sleep mode, negative, and positive. Place into its cradle. Charging the unit up is simply taking the USB-C supplied cable with 49% and the battery charging. Hitting the on switch, the unit will turn on and alight. Securing the soldered tip is simply loosening up, reapplying, and locking down and turning on with the 536 degree to 500 and allow the iron to heat up within 7 seconds. We're at 500 degrees, fluxing the tip. We have a number of cables to solder. In this demonstration, we're going to solder and show. In this demonstration, we're going to solder the 2 leads together. It is a portable soldering iron with no gravitation. The soldering iron will shut down to auto sleep, and we are ready to solder. Portable kit, easy to remove tips and place other tips on by pressing in firmly and locking down and go in a few seconds. This is your soldering iron kit, a kit for all your needs, indoor and outdoor use, portable, rechargeable, battery, and more. A powering station, sponges, desolder, solder, and tips with tweezers for your repair needs. Thank you for viewing.